what happens when a manufacturer needs to up their game. This manufacturer needed to improve data visibility, productivity, and commerce processes. Common needs among manufacturers. We've seen this all before. Here's the backstory. A premier B2B commercial refrigeration equipment manufacturer wanted to increase their competitive edge by filling the marketplace gaps and providing top service. It was time to integrate their technology to get 360-degree data and increase automation. They turned to Advic to get the job done. What did we do? Replaced manual order entry with a fully branded, device-responsive B2B e-commerce store. Set up CTI integration for a personalized service experience. Created an aggregated view of customer purchases, warranties, and quotations. Developed lead tracking methodology to eliminate lost opportunities due to process gaps. Built custom visual map speeding dispatching based on proximity. Integrated it all with their ERP, payment gateway, Google Analytics, and more. And the result? Integration of sales, service, and commerce data propelled their customer service, closed deals faster, and provided real-time customer 360 data. So, are you a manufacturer looking to up your game? Call the pros at Advic today.